Hello mates, this is Basil from Forex Traders. It is 13th of November 2013 and today we have a high probability scalping with very small stop loss. We see that pound has broke the Tokyo range at 10 a.m. Pound moved from 1.5890 to 15877. Then pound retraced, and when a resistance is formed, we have took the scalp with 7 pips stop loss. It is more than 7 pips, we don't care for the trade. So let's see how this will develop. This is a demo account, and the lot size is 8 standard lots. The European equity markets open lower. And we are focusing today on UK unemployment rate and the inflation report. For the time being, the action for British pound is from 158.80s to 159.30s. So I think this is the second stop hunting. Newbies have paid in the first breakout, they have paid now because they hit their stop losses, and now we are waiting for the real direction, which is short one. We will close half of the position in 58.77, and then we will leave 2 parts open, one intraday trade and one swing trade. It's 26 minutes after 10. We are really in the spot of London Open. We don't need a higher high now. We need the pound to be below 159. Have my radio open. I hope you like the music. need to see a resistance in 98. Support form in 91, as you see here, and we need a resistance to form here. Then we are in the trade. If we see a higher high, our position gets more difficult. But this is the trade. We are taking a reasonable risk, and we expect at least 3 times ratio in our risk. We're risking 1 to gain 3. The candle in the 1 hour chart is bullish engulfing. British news is 11:30. Let's check them out and put the alarms. Okay. 11:30 is all the news. It is usual stuff in the London Open to see the pound bumping here and there. That's why I have opened the 5-second chart in order to see clearly what is the situation, because in the candles you can see you can see the detail that you see here. A lot of sell orders in the 159 and below, a lot of stop losses. So the brokers are aiming this point. Now we really see a battle between bulls and bears because there are opposite forces in 159. For these kinds of lots, you are in for more than $100 per pip in British pounds. So you must know very well what are you doing, and you need at least 100,000 capital to do this kind of position. Okay. Some people start to sell. Okay. We need some momentum now. It's 37 minutes after 10. Logically, in the next 20 minutes, We must take profit. We leave it to melt now. Northern Lights looks smooth and nice in the short trade. That raises the confidence levels of the short trade. Here you see the low volatility areas. You see how choppy is the price and how there are no peaks. There are flat areas of volatility. And now here, let's put it here. Okay. Here is 10 o'clock. when it breaks. The initial stop hunting, support zone, stop hunting on the upper side. Took the stop losses, now falls again. The worrying thing is that in the 1 hour chart, it looks like it wants to end as indecision bar, an indecision bullish bar. And this is worrying, because we are exactly in the middle. We don't know where it will decide to go. It will decide to go where the news will tell it to go. So we must take profits in order to be in the conservative side before 11:30. So now we have risked 7 pips. The least amount of pips we are prepared to go out is 7, because it's 1/1 in risk ratio. But as I have told you, I'm expecting to convert this to intraday or swing trade. So let's wait a little bit before we decide what we will do. We need a lower low now. We're 22 minutes in the trade. Support is formed. It's in the bottom of 0-0 battle. We see the 2 hits. This is invisible in candle. Okay. It made a lower low, so now we sit tight. I have covered the entry. Now we're in a free trade, and we must decide what we will do. minutes before 11 o'clock. Usually around the closing of the hour there is profit taking from the traders that trade the 1 hour candle. So this is a pressing factor.
Attention.
We need to break now. Okay, we're 1-to-1 risk ratio. I don't like this number. Thank you. See, the price is stalling. Price is stalling. Ten minutes to close the hour. Breaking the white line. This is a concerning factor. It consolidates. A new support line is formed. If we get a hit to this support line, I will close it. I don't see any volatility, any attempts to go down further south for the time being. They will close the candle as indecision candle, it seems like. So I will take the pips. Yeah. Bears are pressing down now. No steam. No steam at all. Seven minutes to close the candle. Okay, 6 fixes.
Order cancelled. Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, folks. We didn't want to press our luck, so we took it. Better safe than worry. This was our scalp for today. I see the price is going our way, but it's better safe than sorry, as I told you. That was our scalp for today. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.